And we're back with another tutorial for you guys. Today we're going to be learning how to do a swing cast tutorial. This one I don't know if I might do it outside actually. We'll see.
Ooh,
I haven't done them outside yet, so we'll see. We'll see if I can muster this one out. My ankles hurt a lot today from the session.
It might be a bad thumbnail.
No.
But it's gonna end up in the video.
Today we're gonna be learning how to do a swing cast. Gage has some of the best swing casts that I've seen personally, and the way he goes about them is pretty sweet in breaking it down. So let's go ahead and break it down. What would be the first thing that you had to learn to do a swing cast? Obviously, like
I had a lot of trouble with the backswing. Like, I think a lot of people force a backswing. Let me show an example. And what I mean by that is that when a lot of people give energy forward, they also give it backwards, causing their legs to get way up high and not allowing them to have energy to snap or get the snaps that they need. So what I like to do is go limp noodle on the way back. And I kind of just let them dangle, and once they reach the peak, they kind of snap back into reality, and that's what gives me that strong tuck. So try to fixate on the legs. Thanks. I know how to catch that. So.
All right, so that's the main piece of advice that you have for us.
Yeah, thicker bars are definitely harder. Find a thin bar for your first time. Another thing is as you're coming back and setting, it's not a push, more of a pull. You're pulling down, and what you're doing is you're throwing your shoulders high into the air. When you take off, you should actually be seeing the top of the bar. Once you get the technique right and down, you can kind of apply it to anywhere. It's the same way a hang cast or a worm cast works. And this is a weird variation. No! Oh, the hat fell. We need tinier hats.
Tinier hats.
I have an outrageously small head.
A couple of prerequisites. Again, learn how to backflip. I know for me personally, I've only done this one in the gym, but having a castaway did help me a little bit with this one. Not so much because I needed a castaway, but more because it was a fear-based thing for me, because the tech here is a little different. A flyaway did not help me at all with the fear on this one, so that's not a prereq. I would say the biggest thing is just like going limp on the front end, right?
Yeah, limp on the front end, and then the posture of your body coming off of the thing is you want to end up being straight. When these are pushing and your legs snap, your body will look like, should look pretty straight. And then everything will slowly go into the second half of the tuck.
Okay. Yeah, what are some common mistakes with swing casts?
You do want to go limp in the front, have straight posture when taking off, and having too much momentum can kill it. It'll shoot you too far away from the bar that you won't be able to get the tuck that you need. You'll probably under rotate and go a lot farther out.
That's dumb.
Yes sir, send it. Find a good playground. That should be your first step to every We will finish the rest of this video at a later time.
Alrighty, and that's all we got for you guys today for that swing cast tutorial. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and comment the hardest part of that skill for you, whether it was like fear or understanding the mechanics of it all. And send us your clips to our Instagram, which is @thecollectivemovements. And check out Gage. His Instagram is Waste of Gravity. He posts some bangers there pretty regularly. They don't know. So yeah, sick. And click that bell notification because we've been putting out videos for you guys every Saturday. Sweet. All right, bye.